Hello everyone, welcome to Toto's back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today I have with me the brand new Tata Tiago iCNG. Now the Tiago gets a factory fitted CNG kit, and in this video I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of this car. So let's quickly start off this video. Before starting the video, which next car or bike would you like to see on the channel? You can definitely let me know that. You can message me on Instagram. You can also write it down in the comment section. By the way, I have also covered the Tata Safari, Tata Harrier, Tata Tigor, and I have also given you guys a detailed mileage test of the Tata Tigor iCNG. Post this video, I am also testing this car for the mileage, so you'll be able to see the mileage test of the Tiago as well on CNG. By the way, I have also covered the luxury cars like the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, BMW 2 Series, Land Rover Defender, and the Lexus ES 300h. All those video links I'll provide it to you guys in the description box down below. Now let's quickly start off with the walk around. Let's quickly start off with the front profile. Right at the front here you have the Tata logo, tri-arrow grille, chrome strip which covers the fascia of the car. Talking about the headlight, now here you have a combination. Here you basically have your projector, which is a normal halogen bulb. This is your high beam, which is again a normal halogen bulb. This is your turn indicator, obviously a normal halogen bulb. This is your fog light, normal halogen bulb, and this is your LED DRL right here. Again, here you have this chrome ring going on. And in terms of the design, I definitely love the design of the Tata Tiago. It looks sharp, it looks attractive. Talking about the side profile, here as you can see, the length is 3765 mm, the wheelbase is 2400 mm, and the ground clearance is 168 mm to be precise. Now the Tata Tiago is available in a total of 5 color options. This one which you are looking right now is the midnight plum. Now here you basically have this chrome strip on chrome door handles. By the way, there's a chrome strip on your door handles, and this is the top end dual tone variant, so it gets this piano black finish for your mirrors as well as for your roof. Let me show you guys the key. So these are the two keys that Tata Motors is offering you. There's this normal physical key and this is the remote key with a physical option as well. And this is how the car actually looks like from this particular angle. Let me quickly show you guys the rear profile, then we'll talk about this wheel size, and then we'll move inside the car. So right at the back, here you basically have the Tata logo, Tiago badge, chrome strip, iCNG badge right here, LED. It doesn't really get an LED setup for its tail light. Here you basically have this normal halogen bulb going on. Rear wiper washer, defogger, high mounted stop lamp, and spoiler spats right here. It gets the CNG sticker right here as well. Reverse parking camera is right here provided, and you don't really get any sort of button to open the boot. You'll have to open it from the inside, I guess, and this is the key that you can basically use to open the boot of the car. Here as you can see, in the petrol variant you get a boot space of 242 liters. However, in the CNG variant there is literally no boot space left. So here as you can see, this is the amount of space where you can probably keep 1 or 2 grocery bags, and that's about it. There is nothing much you can keep right here. However, in the petrol variant you obviously have a boot space of 242 liters. This is the CNG tank. We'll talk about the CNG tank in detail as well. By the way, let me tell you guys right here itself. So here you basically have a CNG tank which gets a water filling capacity of 60 liters. If you convert it into CNG, it comes to 10.24 kgs of CNG gas. However, practically you will be able to fill in 8 kgs of gas right here. Let me quickly close the hood. And yeah, the boot is actually the boot lid is quite light, I would say. And below this you obviously have your spare wheel, which is not a full size wheel. You basically get a 13-inch steel rim right there. Let me really show you guys the tire profile right here. So here as you can see, here you basically have a tire profile of 175/65 R14, and these are 14-inch alloy wheels provided right here. So that's a good thing to have. Now guys, let's quickly move inside the car and let's start talking about the interior and the features. So guys, now I'm inside the car. You'll obviously have to insert the key in order to switch on the ignition. Let me do that for you guys. So here, okay. So that is how the car actually welcomes you. It gives you a full sweep in the instrument cluster. And talking about the dashboard, here you have dual tone combination, hard plastic obviously. On the AC ones, you basically have this chrome strip. There's piano black finishing as well. The piano black finishing definitely adds to the appeal inside the car. Now talking about the steering wheel, it misses out on leatherette treatment. However, it gets this flat bottom treatment right here. Talking about the instrument cluster, it gets a full digital instrument cluster. It shows you speedometer. This one is your tachometer, 2 fuel gauges. That is for your petrol. That one is for your CNG. Trip A, trip B. Your odometer reading it shows you, and time as well. So that's the basic details which the instrument cluster actually displays. Here you basically have your lever for your light. There is your lever for your wiper. This is your 7-inch touchscreen which gets a 8-speaker surround sound system, the Harman system. Sound quality is decent enough on when you put the volume on the lower side. When you put it on full blast, however, the sound quality kind of deteriorates. I'll provide you guys with the video, the sound quality check video on Instagram. I am not playing an audio right here because of the copyright issues. There you see connect to auto revs. I have kept the phone name to auto revs. So here, as you can see, getting into setting, it shows you vehicle setup, audio setup, phone setup, volume, and these are the basic details it shows you. Now it obviously supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Touch response is pretty decent, I would say, and you can download the IRA app and you can get access to the connected car features as well. Here you have button for your front fog light. This is to lock and unlock the car. This is for your CNG button. Here you have automatic climate control AC. There is a charging port right here. 12 USB port and a 12-volt charging port. This quality definitely needs to be improved. Tata Motors definitely needs to work on this. Even in the Tata Tiago, this cap was completely removed. So in terms of the quality, this needs to be improved. Here you have some space where you can keep your wallet. This is your 5-speed manual gearbox. Let me show you guys the reverse parking camera right here. So here, as you can see, the camera quality is pretty good, I would say, and it also shows you the guidelines right here. Here you have your handbrake. There's the cup holders provided right here. Here you can easily accommodate a 1-liter bottle as well, and I really love this tri-arrow design on the seat as well. Here you have the stitching provided, and this is how the seat actually looks like. Now inside the car, you only have this light provided right here. As you can see, there is no light provided right here. Here you have your normal IRVM, sun visor with a tow receipt holder. Here you have a sun visor with a vanity mirror, thankfully. And I really love the way they have done the dashboard. I mean, just look at it. It is so big that it can, it kind of feels very nice to have a look at. The design of the interior, I particularly love the design of the interior. And on the steering wheel, here you have buttons to increase and decrease the volume. From you can change tracks. From you can accept and reject calls. This for mute. Obviously, this car doesn't really get cruise control feature. From here you can basically adjust and basically retract your ORVMs. Here you basically have your power window switches, chrome door handle. Here you can easily accommodate a 1-liter bottle, and yeah, that's much about it. So guys, I think I've covered most of the things about the interior and the exterior as well. From here you can adjust the steering wheel for tilt adjustment. Telescopic adjustment is not possible right here. So guys, now it's time to check out the space and talk about the engine specifications. Let me adjust the driver's seat as per my comfortable driving position. Okay, so this is my comfortable driving position. Now let's quickly have a look at the second row space. So guys, here as you can see, this is the amount of space that is available in the second row of the car. I am pretty much happy with the space here. As you can see, you can easily stretch your feet below the driver as well as co-driver seat. The knee room is decent enough, not really the best, and the underside support is quite good, I would say. I am pretty impressed by the seats and the under thigh support right here. The headroom is again kind of decent. Here, as you can see, the seats are so comfortable that you actually sink inside the seat. That's how soft and comfortable the seats are. The cushioning is really very good. Talking about the door pads, you can easily accommodate a 1/2-liter bottle right here. There's chrome door handle, power window switch. Shoulder room, in terms of the shoulder room, you can easily get 2 healthy people at the back with a kid in the middle, or you can get 3 thin and fit people like me at the back. The car obviously misses out on an armrest and adjustable headrest. Here you have handle to hold on to. Other than the driver side, you do get handle to hold on to. There is a hump right here, but it is kind of flat, as you can see. So middle passenger won't really have to struggle. They can place their foot like this and they can enjoy the view out there. So guys, I think I have covered most of the things about the car. Now it's time to start talking about the engine and how the gearboxes and the clutches. So starting off with the engine. Now this car actually gets a 1.2 liter Revoltron engine which produces 86 PS of power and 113 Newton meters of torque. When you drive the car on CNG, obviously the power and torque goes down to 73 PS and 95 Newton meters. However, in terms of the power and pickup, I have no complaints as such because the car provides you guys with a very good amount of grunt, so it does not really feel lackluster at all. I am pretty impressed by the power and pickup of the Tata Tiago. However, in terms of the refinement, the engine sound is audible inside the cabin, and there are vibrations as well that can be felt on your gear knob as well as on your seat and your steering wheel. So that is about the engine. Now guys, talking about the ride quality, the ride quality is pretty much comfortable. In terms of the handling, it is again pretty decent. I would say the steering the steering wheel is kind of sharp, but it does not really weigh up as much I expected it to. Now guys, moving on to the safety features. Now the car actually gets dual airbags, ABS, EBD, corner stability control is there. Now talking about the main aspect, which is the CNG tank. Now there is a 60 liter CNG tank, 10.24 kg of gas when you convert it into CNG. However, practically you can only get in 8 kgs of gas. Soon you'll also see a detailed mileage test of this car, so you can basically stay tuned on the channel for the same. So guys, I think I have covered most of the things about the car. Now this car obviously gets has scored a strong 4-star rating in the global NCAP crash test, so it is a pretty safe car to be in. So guys, now moving on to the conclusion, talking about the pricing. The base variant, if I am talking about the CNG variants, so the CNG is available in XC, XT, XC Plus. So the XC is priced at 6 lakh for 34,900. Meanwhile, the top end dual tone XZ Plus is priced at 7 lakh 89,900. So yeah, that's about the price. So guys, I think I've covered most of things about the car. I hope you guys like this video. Still, if you have any question, you can definitely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.